What's going on, everybody? I want you to keep in mind today, this afternoon, we have RGTI, CoreWeave reporting earnings, BBAI, Rocket Lab, ASTS, TeraWolf, Plug, Oxy. Man, we got some big earnings. But right now, pre-market today, November the 10th, we see CoreWeave is moving beautifully. As we can see here, we have baby blue, which tells us it has a buy signal at the moment. There's about a 1.62 to 1 chance that we reach 110.58 on CoreWeave. I'm setting an alert right now because if we happen to break this level, we could possibly push up to 111.13, maybe 116. There is a lot of resistance right there up to about 112.15 today. So that would be a good take profit if we happen to continue to push up here. Since we've already kind of rejected this 109.84 level, is going to be a key level for entry, in my opinion. So 109.84, 85-ish. And you want that extra layer of confirmation when we retest liquidity right there at 110.09. I think CoreWeave looks really good right now. The volume is starting to actually come in. As you can see down here, we finally broke that moving average here on the 15-minute time frame. And we got a little bit of an uptrend here. No true markup. Williams% R is also giving us a buy signal. I'm gonna look at the 65-minute time frame since we are, roughly about an hour out. And that 112 just looks like a really good level to watch for. The 65-minute does have a weak buy signal, so we need that confirmation when the bell opens, okay? So right now, I'm excited to see what happens with CoreWeave. Let's take a look at RGTI as well, since they do have earnings today. This one looks very consolidated, but it has a lot of support right here at 34.50. We've got an order block right here at 36.93 and a lot of resistance at 37.95. We look at the 15-minute time frame. It looks very neutral right now. Let's actually get this up here, but we've got that green across the board here telling us, hey, you might want to buy this, Mark. So there's a 1.89 to 1% chance, or 1 to 1, if you will, on the ratio side that we hit 35.20 on RGTI today. Now, these are just two of the things that I see moving. And I'm going to actually post this video from here in just a few minutes. Real quick, I did want to take a look at SPY. SPY right now needs to get over this hump right around 677.71. That would be a good entry point for calls. We're looking at a target price of potentially 678.54. We got a lot of resistance right there. I'm expecting a move right at opening bell, possibly to push this a lot higher today. Right now, it does have strong buy momentum. I'm looking for 679 as a potential target on SPY. The 65-minute right now with a weak buy. I already have these alerts set as we just got up here on the screen, but 679.21 is going to be a key level that we need to watch for a potential target price to the upside. Also, we cannot negate the fact that we have created several gaps. We passed those levels that we marked yesterday, so we'll just go ahead and delete those lines. But as expected, we gapped up. So this looks very bullish in my opinion. And of course, that moving, we have to take a look at QQQ. We also have a gap up here as well. Baby blue candles, weak buy. Looking at QQQ with a potential target price of 629.39, ladies and gentlemen. 15-minute time frame, a little bit consolidated with a spinning top candle here on this current candle. It looks like a nice bull flag. Again, big move likely going to happen by 8:30. There's an 8.38 to 1 chance that we hit the 620. So we're not in the clear just yet, but definitely worth the watch, in my opinion. I also want you to think about the downside potential. If we happen to lose 618.26, guys, you might want to consider puts. There's some support right here at 617.09, possibly could come down to 615.15. A lot of support there as well. So these are just a few things that I'm seeing on the stock market side so far. I saw a crazy post yesterday. Somebody said that Apple was going to go to 640 before the end of the year. What? I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing that at all. I'm not 640, 240. What? 240? Makes no sense. 240 by the end of this year, 400 by next year. A little out there. But 273 to 274 looks pretty likely on a swing trade for Apple. I think Apple's going to hit that 274, possibly push up to 276 on a swing. 15-minute right now looks pretty good as well. We got a weak buy signal looking at a potential target price up to 270.29 for Apple. Okay, so we're getting those alerts set right now. NVIDIA, what we got cooking, NVIDIA? All right, NVIDIA's a little bit consolidated on the 15-minute, 65-minute right now, off of the highs, which was right around 194.71. I want you guys to look for a test or a break of 194.18 for call option entry with the target price of 194.72. All right, guys. So we're going to get back to this thing. I'll see you guys shortly.